Hello everyone. I just want to jump on here real quick and show you how you can write directly on assignments that are assigned through Google Classroom. I know a lot of you who are on iPads or tablets or smartphones have been able to write directly on the document and send it back that way. But for those of you on a computer, this is a fairly easy way to do it. So I'm on Hunter's Google search, and we call these 9 dots up here the waffle. So when you hear that, the waffle, that's what we're talking about. So if you go to the waffle in their classroom, again, a lot of you have already figured out how to get to the classroom. You choose Granville's first grade classroom. And if you go up to this button up here, the classwork, it kind of filters through all of this stuff that is here. While it may be important, it's not your actual assignments. Well, they are in there, but to get directly to the assignments, you can go up to classwork. I have this test with Kami program. Kami is the program that we have installed with all of your students' logins. So if you go to the assignment and click over here, you want to do, these are called jelly beans, the 3. We could go to our jelly beans and we want to open it in a new window. Okay, and then up here in the middle where it says open with, we're going to annotate with Kami. And this opens up a thing where we can write directly on. So I use the drawing. They can choose their own color if they'd like, make it thicker or thinner, their lines. And they can, if they have a touch screen, they can write directly on it, or they can use the mouse to answer all the problems. I'm just going to do a couple just to show you. And then up here next to the little save button, it says turn in. And all I have to do is click turn in. And it will submit it directly to Google Classroom. So it'll say, are you sure? It will be submitted. And you say turn in. And you are done. You have submitted your work for Google's first grade classroom.